Hi guys, welcome to my channel Smart Living. Well guys, if you guys are struggling with your money and if you are in financial crisis, this year has been difficult for many of us, even the last 2 years. Once you have come up with an idea, then it's really easy to build a website, and after you have driven enough traffic onto your site, you will start earnings. Are you looking to start up an e-commerce business but have no idea where to start? Then let me tell you, here are few ideas. Custom personalized jewelry. So you can personalize a jewelry and you can start the business of jewelry. And on number 2, online courses. You can do many of online courses. This is the fastest growing method of making money. You need to be able to market it properly to grow users' attention. Starting your own business means becoming responsible for every single job. Well guys, if you are good at writing, then start writing ebooks. Or even you can sell second-hand items. There are many benefits of online business. You can work from anywhere you want and you can work anytime you like. So therefore you have full control over your working hours. Sell your skill online. If you can code, build websites for businesses. If you can design, create logos and graphics for people. If you can speak several languages, translate text into that language. Well, you can sell your old clothes on eBay, and also you can sell spare phone parts online, and even you can sell dried out petals online. So there are endless possibilities out there. You can get paid for promoting items on your social media. If you are good at social media, you can create posts for famous business and people. Currently, fitness and weight loss are in demand. You can build an online course on how to stay fit, or you can begin your own YouTube channel and guide people different exercises. This is earned people a lot of money, and you can also start this, and why not you? You can do it. Well, it's important for you to do your own research before you begin anything. Well guys, I am not a financial expert or advisor. I have just given you tips. Before you begin anything, it's really important that you build a strong network. Through that network, you will learn new things. So from my side, good luck to everyone. Well guys, if you like my videos, then kindly do share them, like them, and do subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.